Hello, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all and fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. This is Afrin in front of you. I am from Khagrachari, but currently I live in Dignala in Khagrachari. Actually, I am a student. I study in Claven and Dignala Gov College. As well as I am a student of English Academy. Basically, I am a sponge lover. I like to play football. I like to reading English story books in my free time. It is improved my English level. I enjoy traveling and watching movie on my holiday. It is give me pleasure. I don't like smoking, wasting time, and fast food. I don't like these honest liar and addicted people. I want to be a teacher in future. Thank you so much. Please forgive me if I have any mistake. Have a good day. Allah.